Hello students, welcome to the class 3rd maths class, chapter number 1st, revision of numerals. In my previous classes, I have told you about the 1, 2 and 3 digit numbers, comparison between the numbers and successor and predecessors of the number. And in this class, I will tell you about the place value of 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. So, let us move to the place value of 2-digit numbers. Like if there are numbers like 4 and 7, that is 47. So, the 4 digit will be the 4 means tens and 7 will be the 7 ones. Like 4 will be at tens place and 7 will be on the ones place. So we will write 4 as 40. Like 4 into 10 is equals to 40 plus 7 into 1 is equal to 7, means 40 plus 7. This will be the expanded form of two-digit numbers like 40, 4 into 10 and 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Collectively it will be called 47. This will be the expanded form of the number. In 47, the place value of 4 is tens. We will write it as t, and that is 40. 40 tens is equals to 40, and the place value of the 7 is ones. We will indicate it as O, that is 7. 7 into 1 is equals to 7. As the place value of 7 is 1, so 7 into 1 is equals to the 7. Now we will move to the place value of 3-digit numbers. If there are numbers like 350, so 3 will be 100, 5 will be tens and 0 will be ones. 350 is equals to 3 is equals to 100, 5 is equals to tens plus 0 is equals to ones. Here you can see in the numeric form 300 plus 50 plus 0. 3 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 0 into 1, or you can even write it as 0. This is the expanded form of the number. If you have to write the expanded form, you can write it like this: 300h plus 5 tens t plus 0 ones. You can write it as O also. 100 is denoted as H, tens is denoted as T, and ones is denoted as O. For example, if you have to solve the questions, like here is the number 82 of 2 digit. So 8 tens T plus 2 ones 0 O. So 8 into 10 plus 2 into 1 is equals to 8 into 10 is equals to 80, and 2 into 1 is equals to 2. So 80 plus 2. This will be the expanded form of the 82. Same here for the 760. This is a 3-digit numbers like 700h plus 6 tens t plus 0 ones O. 7 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 0 into 1, or even you can write it as 0, as 1 don't have any kind of place here. So 700 plus 60 plus 0 is the expanded form of the 760. Write the place value of the underlined number which are underlined. Here you have to write the place value of the numbers which are underlined. Like here the number is 826. So the underline is on 2. So here we have to write the place value of 2 as it is underlined. So the place value of 2 is tens. 2 into 10 is equals to 20. So here the value of 2 is 20. Moving to the next question. 360. Here the 3 is underlined, so we have to write the place value of 3. So here the place value of 3 is 300. 300h means 3 into 100 is equals to 300. So students, this was all about today. I hope you all have understood what I have taught you. So these are some questions that you have to practice at your home. Write the expanded form of the numbers 105, 891. Write the place value of the underlined number 531. Here 5 is underlined, 359, 9 is underlined, and 270. Here 7 is underlined. So students, you all have to do these 6 questions, solve in your rough copies, and thank you.